match in 3, 2, 1. Daredevil Chickens immediately going to pick up some green cubes. The mechanical station score, they're going for those red cubes. Each one off the post is going to be 5 points. Daredevil Chickens immediately scoring some of those greens, and they go up and hit a red off while they're doing it. The mechanical station score trying to hit those other 2 reds. Daredevil Chickens trying to green goal at 35 seconds to now switch drivers. Daredevil Chickens just trying to get some more green cubes into their collection. 45 seconds to now switch drivers. Looks like the mechanical station board are going to go for a low mark. Daredevil Chickens scoring some greens into that goal. They will get a 4 goal bonus. With 10 seconds left, they're going for a park. And they managed to hit the park with 5 seconds remaining. All right, we're going to move on to qualification match 32. We've got 4-0-3-0-1B